Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here I got this 2003 Porsche Boxster. Upgraded the head unit and installed this Pioneer 4600 NEX. This has wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also added a backup camera. Throw it in reverse. Backup camera comes up on the screen there. Put it back in park. Goes back to the factory screen. Also, I have my iPhone here, which I already connected Bluetooth Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm not plugged in at all, and I have Apple CarPlay activated. This unit has no CD player, and also added Alexa. You have Alexa down here. Thank you guys for watching.